Today we will make an unboxing and application video for Crystal Bakhoor Incense Burner. Let's see it. The moment we opened box, we could see a beautiful crystal incense burner, and also matched with two metal incense holder. One is with more holes designed for better burning, and the other is a plain larger bowl. When using the burner, we need put the lager bowl first, then put the holes designed holder upside down. To use this burner, we also need charcoal and incense. This time we choose a 33mm, quick lighting round charcoal, smellless and eco-friendly. And for the incense, I just pick one I prefer, and you could choose any one you like. Then let's beginning to burn it. Firstly, we need pick up a charcoal then light it. We could find it easy to burn. Secondly, we can pick up some incense on this lighting charcoal. And the incense will be burned very soon. In this way, we could enjoy this charming aroma all the day. In the end of the video, let's enjoy the beautiful crystal burner again.